Look at this certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 3,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 19 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 25 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, auxiliary audio input, tow package, driver airbag and side curtain airbags. Call 888-658-4271 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.